sorry, but there's literally no better feeling than making your coffee to absolute perfection in the mornings, and that's when you know it's gonna be a great day. So cheers. Gotta wash all my dishes now. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Officially starting the vlog off. We're having a productive day in my life today. I have lots to do around the house today. I have another video that I'm filming. So you guys saw I had my breakfast. I just did a little bit of work, and right now I need to do laundry because I didn't do it Sunday. Because what did we do Sunday? Oh, I went to the beach, and if you could tell, my face is tan. I got a little sunburn, but I think I like evened out, so now I just look pretty tan. First beach day. Anyways, so I didn't do laundry, so I need to do laundry today because I desperately need clothes. So we're gonna do some laundry. Here's my at home, like, I just need to get my life together outfit. Super comfortable. I love these tank tops. They're from Amazon. It's in my Amazon storefront, linked below under clothing. They're so comfortable, so flattering. It literally just feels like butter, honestly, and it has like a built-in sports bra attached to it, so I love it. It's super easy, super convenient. And then just wearing just like little shorts. So we're gonna wash my pillowcases, do some laundry. I have cleaning to do actually in my room, which I want to talk to you guys about, like a new little room situation setup that I'm going to be doing. But let's first throw in the laundry. Okay, my laundry is in the washer, and I have an exciting package to show you guys. I'm gonna do a little haul. You guys, look who sent me a freaking package. So, you guys, I got a package from Aloe Moves. You guys probably know Aloe Yoga, and Aloe Moves. They have like different accounts on Instagram. I'll link them down below. I'm so grateful that they reached out to me to let me try out their Aloe Moves. So they have a lot of different ranges of like fitness and mindfulness content. So I'm gonna be trying them out and sharing with you guys. So I'm excited to get started. So here's my little freaking package that I got. I literally cannot even lift the package up because this box is like super heavy. But stay tuned for a video showing you guys like my morning routine. First off, we have freaking yoga mat. We have the Aloe Warrior mat. I'll link everything below as well for you guys. I also have the Aloe Grounded No Slip Matte Towel. And then I have here the utility mat bag. This is so freaking cute. And then we have the uplifting yoga block. We have some Aloe Unisex Half Crew sock. And then I got a little sweat set, which I'm excited. I'll try it on for you guys in a second. This is the Accolade straight leg sweatpants, and then the Accolade hoodie. And then they sent over their Mega C body wash and their Superfruit moisturizing body lotion. So I'm really excited. Let me try on a little sweat set to show you guys, and I'm so freaking excited to get started and really tap into my yoga. You guys know Tuesdays are for yoga, except not this Tuesday because I'm doing something else tonight, which you guys are gonna see in the vlog. You guys, I just put on the sweat set and it's so freaking comfortable. I don't have a whole like set like this in this like light gray color, so this is, I'm gonna be living in this fall. It's so comfortable, but it's not too thick. Like, look at how soft it is. I love like that it's still like pretty lightweight. It's a little oversized, which you guys know I love. If you guys know me by now, you know I live in joggers and a hoodie, especially in the fall and winter. I love this, and obviously I can just take this like if I'm going to the beach like for sunrise and you wear like a little hoodie. Like, this is gonna be so comfy. I'm obsessed. And then I love that the jogger pants, well, they're not joggers actually, they're just straight leg sweatpants. I love that it has the drawstring. And then I'm gonna show you guys, I brought my tripod to the bathroom, but yeah, it's just straight leg at the bottom. It fits perfectly. I am gonna be living in this freaking fall. Thank you so much, Aloe. I need to break down this box. I'm throwing away all my freaking garbage. Lots of cleaning to do today, so I need to find a home for all of these stuff. And after I eat lunch, we need to go and clean my desk off. Okay, it might not look appealing, but I'm about to have lunch right now. Just some grilled chicken with zucchini and carrots. It's so freaking good in this like yummy sauce. And then I also have a little side of hummus to like dip them in. And while I'm sitting here eating lunch, I'm gonna post some TikToks that I have like drafted, and then it's just me doing work while I eat because I have another video to film. As you guys can see, my desk is a mess. I have to find a home for my lovely Dyson right here. So I need to clean everything off my desk and inside my desk. So we're gonna do a little bit of cleaning right now. I also need to do some dusting. I have a new freaking computer. You guys will see. I'm gonna make a whole other video, so check that video out of me unboxing my new computer. So that's why I'm also cleaning out my desk. I don't want to have all this stuff on top of my desk because it truthfully won't fit. Hi guys, I just changed into another shirt because we're actually about to leave. I wanted to show you guys really quickly. First of all, my clothes are ready. I had to dry them twice because it was like a bigger load. I will handle that later. We're still having a really busy day today. It's only 6:20 and I've gotten a lot done. I just filmed also a whole other video unboxing this baby right here. So I was cleaning my computer because I got a new Mac, or an iMac now. It's literally stunning. I'm obsessed with it. I still have to actually turn it on and set it up for that video. I still need to like finish filming. I had to take my brother somewhere and we're actually about to go play tennis. I didn't eat dinner yet. We're gonna eat when we get back. I will show you guys like a full new setup and all that stuff when I'm back like tonight, but I just thought I would update you guys. So yeah, our new little hobby that we've gotten into is tennis, and I didn't think I would like it because I thought it was just gonna be like free-for-all. Like, I don't know, I don't really watch tennis like that, but I like it. We play like doubles, like me and my brother, and then my sister, my dad was on a team, and then my mom kind of just like plays around too. It's like not too intense, but we're very competitive, like all of us regardless. So we got into tennis. This is my second time playing. This is my racket. Super cute. We're getting official over here.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you.
Okay guys, this is my new computer setup. So I have my little keyboard. It's super tiny. Make sure you check out that video. It should be coming either before this or right after this, so stay tuned. I'm gonna leave this here. It's still pretty far, so it's like fine, and then the computer is also not even like touching the wall, but it's also not too close here. And then I'm just gonna keep this probably like hidden behind here. It's for my phone, I can charge it. And then I put the other mouse that I have back here in the box until I set it up. But this is literally gonna be my setup. I organized the inside of my desk, so I took out like any other junk. I put here my glasses because I'm gonna obviously need them. My book and stuff that was on my Alex drawer, I just transferred that in here with my markers. It's like way more organized now. And then I also have some other like notebooks, my planner, my journal, not my journal, my to-do list notebook is also going to be here. So it's way more organized in here. And then I have my iPad still. I have another gratitude notebook. And then I just transferred my galaxy lamp over here. I don't know if you guys can see. I also made myself some tea. I have my galaxy lamp right on top of my 5-minute journal just because I do this every morning right when I wake up. I moved my lamp from back here to just right here on my Alex drawer, and then I still have my bamboo over here, and then my diffuser. It still fits all perfectly fine, and I have my tray. I'm probably not gonna leave my coaster like up here. I don't know, I need to take care of this. I also folded my laundry, so everything is all ready. I just need to shower. Tennis was so much fun. I had to finish filming my other video. Sorry my chair is squeaking. Something that I wanted to say was, obviously this is my new setup, and something that I'm also thinking of doing in terms of like my room. I actually am thinking of painting this wall white so that the whole room is white, because this is just one accent wall. I love it and I loved it when we first did it, but I feel like for what I do, and since I'm still living here, I create content, right? And I'm always filming, and I just think if it was all white, you know, everyone has like all white, so it's just like, it's very neutral. When I'm filming, it doesn't look repetitive because it stands out. I don't know if you get what I mean, but it makes sense to me, and that's all that matters. So I'm thinking of getting that started hopefully within the next few weeks. Fingers crossed, it'll probably be in a vlog. So I also still need to clean up and put away my aloe stuff that's in the living room. So I'm gonna do that and then hop in the shower. What do we think? All right, I'm sorry if you can hear the fan. It's just way too hot. I got out of the shower in my PJs and I pretty much have cleaned up everything and put everything back because I cannot stand a mess. It's getting late, but I still have a little bit of things to do. I decided for the time being just to get like organized, because as a creator, like I get lots of packages, which I love, don't get me wrong, but I need to stay organized. So I think for now I'm going to use my aloe bag and just put some of the stuff in for now. And then this is going to go next to my bed where my other yoga mat was. So silly me forgot that I'm gonna need to buy an adapter for my Mac because I need my SD port and I need a USB port just to have, like, I know they have the adapters, so that's gonna be on my to-do list for this week slash weekend. But it's okay, like I just have to edit this short video. I can do it on my computer. Like I still have this baby right here, so it's fine. No comparison. But while I'm doing this, because it's late, like I'm tired now, like I feel like now it's hitting me, like I'm gonna sleep good because all my energy today, like I've done it all. I'm like a little kid. What's great is since this is so big, I just turned it and I'm gonna just have like a YouTube video on in the background because I haven't had a chance to like sit and watch YouTube videos, obviously because I'm so busy. So while I finish editing this and get it done, I'm gonna have this in the background and it's gonna be great. It's late. I'm gonna end off the video. I had to use my SD card, but I'm trying to figure something out with sending this to myself. For some reason the airdrop is not working, and it was working all day before. This always happens when you're tired, cranky, and you just want to sleep. So I'm gonna sleep. I'll wake up early, get everything that I need to get done tomorrow done. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I feel like it was super productive, talking low because it's literally midnight. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like the video, comment down below what color you like the iMac in, and if you like this color down below, and let's chat. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe.